Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to your maths class. Today we will learn a new topic, that is what comes after. What comes after? First of all, we will learn that what is the meaning of after numbers. So the after number means the next number. The next number. So before doing some exercise of after numbers, let's revise our counting from 0 to 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kids, do you know this is also called forward counting? Now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now kids, tell me what will come after the number 3. As earlier I told you that after number means the next number. The next number. So what is the next number of 3? 4. That is 4. Now tell me what comes after the number 8. The next number after 8 is 9. That is 9. One more example. What comes after 19? 20. Check the next number. 20. So the right answer is 20. Now class, let's practice it with an exercise. So this is the number 5. This is the number 5. So students, tell me what comes after the number 5. Let's find out here. Tell me student, what comes after the number 5? 6. What comes after 5? 6. So we will write here the number 6. So class, tell me what comes after 9. Class, tell me what comes after 9. See here, what is the next number after 9? 10. So the right answer is 10. So we will write here 10. So class, this is the number 2. Now check the next number after 2. 3. That is 3. So we will write here the number 3. Now moving to the next number, that is 13. Class, tell me what comes after 13. Let's find out here. What comes after 13? 14. That is 14. So we will write here the number 14. Now class, tell me what comes after 17. Class, check it here. What comes after 17? 18. The right answer is 18. So we will write here the number 18. Thank you for your attention students. I hope you enjoyed our virtual class. And I also hope that you will revise today's lesson with your parents' guidance. Complete your written assignments and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.